Yes, I like English heaven.
Other, your phone is ringing. Please pick up the phone.
Oh, where's my phone?
Your phone is on the chair.
Oh, let me pick up the phone.
Hello.
Hello, who's talking?
Hello, I'm Tarja, your friend.
Oh, Tarja, after a long time, how are you?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm also fit and fine.
Oh, I have called you that. Do we have class today?
Yes, we have class today.
Oh, do you know who will take the class?
Yes, Farhad sir will take the class.
Do you know when will sir take the class?
Yes, sir will take the class at 5 p.m. Don't you know?
Oh, I have forgot it. Okay, I'm coming. See you in the class.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Nice to talk to you.
Nice to talk to you too. Bye-bye.